Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. My name is Prince and you are watching The Tech Stream. This video is going to be about some cool new Android apps that everyone should try on their Android device. So without wasting any more time, let's start. Before diving on to the list, the link to all of the apps will be in the description below, so feel free to check them out. First up, we have Disable Touch. So have you ever been in a situation where you have been frustrated due to accidental clicks while you are listening to a video or a podcast on YouTube, or when the phone is in your pocket, or while your child is watching something and you don't want them to touch the screen and change what is being displayed on the screen? Disable Touch app basically lets you disable the touch screen whenever required by the user. So you can easily enjoy your long podcasts on YouTube. The app automatically detects phone calls and re-enable touch whenever required. It can be used on any video streaming app like YouTube, Netflix to listen to your favorite videos even when your phone is in your pocket without the worry of accidental touches. So it's a very simple app and it doesn't have any advertisement and it can come in really handy to most of the users. Next up, we have the app called Deep Stash. Deep Stash has a lot of meaningful ideas and extracts from books, articles and videos which can let you increase your productivity habits and life. I know there are a lot of habit building apps out there, but the best part of this one is that it provides you only bite-sized content and just the key ideas. So you don't have to read through long passages and it will take you only 2 to 3 minutes to read and get through an article. Trust me, it can genuinely improve the quality of your life if you follow these ideas. Also, they have a vast range of topics like time management, productivity, relationships, and more. It's a free app with no in-app purchases or ads, so feel free to check it out. Next is my new personal favorite app called TimeRise. It is always faster to do a task when you have a time limit attached to it. And if there is no time limit attached to a task, it is going to take you much longer to complete it. So, TimeRise acts as a visual timer. All you have to do is set a time and then flip your phone. Now the timer will start ticking and your phone acts like an hourglass. This really helps you to sit down and complete the work or task in hand. When the time is finished and the hourglass fills, if you need more time, you can flip the phone and restart the timer. I personally use this app for 25-minute Pomodoro sessions. So do try this out, it will really help you. Before moving on with the next app on the list, if you are new here and you found some value from this video, please drop a like on this video and press the subscribe button. Moving on, we have the app called Digital Wallpaper. It's a very popular live wallpaper app. It looks very simple in the starting, but when you tap on the wallpaper, you can see your phone usage based on the category. So it will give you a brief idea of how much time is being spent on what apps. It can be very beneficial when you are trying to cut down your phone usage time. You get two more wallpapers apart from the default one. So if you select the glow wallpaper, you can set up the daily usage limit and these glowing rings will slowly move up to the daily limit. So you will be mindful of your phone usage and hopefully you will use your phone less. Now the final app on the list is OneSwipe Notes. OneSwipe Notes makes it so easy to take notes and information quickly as possible. You do not need to leave any running application while noting down. Whether you are attending any phone call or playing games, taking notes is just one swipe away. It has a small green slider on the edge. All you need to do is swipe over it and it opens a text box to jot down some quick notes. It can be anything like a phone number or a reminder or a link. You can also adjust the position of the slider according to your preferences, and this application works very well with Android without disrupting any other gestures. I know it cannot replace other note-taking applications like Google Keep or Notion, but it can come in really handy when you quickly want to save something for later. So those were the 5 new Android apps for the month of August that I think everyone should try. Comment down if you want such videos for every month. That's all for this video. Hopefully you liked the video. Smash the like button if you did. Subscribe to the channel for more tech videos. Thank you for watching.